I'm excited to share with you about this DASH air fryer. I love this. My husband and I use it all the time. We wanted a smaller one. There's just two of us, so I didn't need a real big one, and we live full-time in a fifth wheel RV, so I didn't want to take up a lot of cabinet space with a bigger unit than what I needed. I love this one. It does have your temperature settings that you can change here to whatever temperature you want it on. And then this works like a timer. So you just set it to the amount of time you want. The inside is pretty big. We don't have any problems with, not having enough room. We do a lot of stuff. We cook a lot in this. I love to grill my vegetables in it. You can pull this out. If you want to set something in it, you can actually set a little carafe, ceramic carafe or something in it if you wanted to. We use it all the time. I couldn't live without it. We've been using it for over a year without any issues. It still works perfectly. So I highly recommend.